Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do the exercise of chapter number 3, the periodic table. Question number 1, multiple choice questions. First statement, an element is made up of only one type of, option A atom, B chemical, C molecule, D compound. The correct option is A atom. Second statement, what is the chemical symbol for iron? A Fa, B Fe, C Fi, D Fo. The correct option is B Fe. Third statement, all the atoms are thought to be made up of a nucleus surrounded by a cloud of, option A electrons, B neutrons, C protons, D all of the above. The correct option is A electrons. Statement number 4, hydrogen is the simplest atom because it contains, option A no electrons or protons, option B no electrons and one proton, option C one electron and no protons, option D one electron and one proton. The correct option is D, one electron and one proton. Statement number 5, what is a negative ion? Option A, an atom that has gained a proton, B, an atom that has gained an electron, C, an atom that has lost a proton, D, an atom that has lost an electron. The correct option is B, an atom that has gained an electron. Question number 2, true or false? First statement, the Rutherford-Bohr atomic model helps us to explain the periodic table. This statement is true. Statement number 2, there are over 900 elements in nature. This is wrong statement because there are 92 elements that occurs naturally. Statement number 3, protons carry a negative charge. This is wrong statement because proton carry a positive charge. Statement number 4, mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of electrons. This statement is wrong because mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Statement number 5, the nucleus of every atom contains neutrons. This statement is also false because the nucleus of hydrogen atom does not contain neutron. Question number 3, which of the following statements are true of elements and which are true of compounds? Statement number 1, they contain only one kind of atom. This statement is true of element. Statement number 2, they cannot be broken down into simpler substances. This is also true statement of elements. Statement number 3, they can be broken down into simpler substances. Compound. Statement number 4, they consist of different atoms in fixed proportion. Compounds, they are made up of atoms with the same number of protons. Elements, they are represented by formulae. Compound, they are represented by symbols. Elements. Question number 4, shown below is the symbol for carbon as it appears on the periodic table. C is the symbol for carbon. Its atomic number is 6 and mass number is 12. Question number 4, part 1, what is the mass number for carbon? The answer is the mass number for carbon is 12. Question number 4, part 2, what is the atomic number for carbon? The atomic number for carbon is 6. Question number 4, part 3, how many protons are there in the carbon atoms? There are 6 protons in the carbon atom. Question number 4, part 4, how many neutrons are there in this carbon atom? There are 6 neutrons in this carbon atom. Question number 4, part 5, how many electrons are there in this carbon atom? Beta, there are 6 electrons in this carbon atom. Question number 5. This question refers to the outline of the periodic table below. The letters on this table are not the symbols of the elements. Beta, this is periodic table. As we know, there are 7 periods in the periodic tables. This is first period, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and 8 groups in the periodic table. First group is of alkali metals, second group is of alkaline earth metals. This is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh group is of halogens. Eighth group is of noble gases, or zero group. This group is also known as zero group. It consists of helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, etc. Question number 5, part 1. Which groups are the following elements in? A, B. Beta, the elements B is in group 8, that is noble gases. B, C. Beta, this element is in group 7, that is of halogens. C, E. E is in group first, alkali metals. D, F. F is in group second, alkaline earth metals. Part 2. Which element is a noble gas? Beta, element B is a noble gas. Part 3. Which element is an alkali metal? Beta, E is an alkali metal. Part 4. Which element is a halogen? C and D, both these elements are halogens. Part 5. Which two elements would you expect to have very similar chemical properties? Beta, element C and D that belongs to halogen groups, that these are chlorine and bromine, they are having similar chemical properties because they are in the same group. Part 6. Which element has 2 electrons in the outer shell? Beta, group number indicates the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the element. The element F, that is in alkaline earth metals, second group, it is magnesium and it is having 2 electrons in its outermost valence shell. Question number 6. The table shows the structure of several particles. Particles are A, B, C, D, E, and the number of electron in particle A is 12, proton is 12 and neutron is also 12. In particle B, the number of electron is 12, number of proton is 12 and number of neutron is 14. In particle C, there are 10 electrons, 12 protons and 12 neutrons. In particle D, there are 10 electrons, 8 protons and 8 neutrons. In particle E, there are 9 electrons, 9 protons and 20 neutrons. Question number 6, part 1. Which 3 particles are neutral atoms? Beta, particle A, B and E. They are neutral atoms because in particle A there is the number of electron and proton is same. Part 2. Which particle is a negative ion? What is the charge on this ion? Beta, the particle D is a negative ion and it has a negative charge. Part 3. Which particle is a positive ion? What is the charge on this ion? Particle C is a positive ion and it has positive charge. Part 4. Use the periodic table to identify particle A. Beta, particle A is a magnesium element. Question number 7. A list of particles is given below. This is sodium ion having positive charge. This is oxygen molecule. This is aluminium element. This is the covalent compound methane, CH4. This is nitrogen atom, and this is chloride ion having negative charge on it. Part 1. From the list, select 2 atoms. Beta, the 2 atoms are aluminium and nitrogen. Part B. 2 molecules. The two molecules are oxygen and methane, O2 and CH4. Part C, two ions. Because this is sodium ion having positive charge, this is chloride ion having negative charge. Question number 7, part 2. What do the following symbols represent? Na positive represents sodium ion, that is cation. B, I negative. I is the symbol for iodine, that is halogen, and negative sign indicates its anion, that is iodide ion. Question number 7, part 3a. Name the compound made up from sodium ion and iodide ion. Beta, this compound that is made from sodium ion and iodide ion is sodium iodide. B, write the formula for this compound. The formula for this compound is NaI. C, what sort of bond holds this compound together? Beta, there is a ionic bond between them. Question number 8. These diagrams represent the electrons in the outer shells of carbon and hydrogen. Use them to explain how covalent bonds are formed to hold one molecule of methane together. Beta, this is the atom of carbon having 6 proton and 6 neutron in the nucleus. 6 electrons are revolving around the nucleus, 2 in the first shell and 4 in the second shell. This is the hydrogen atom having 1 proton in the nucleus, 1 electron is revolving around the nucleus in the first shell. 4 hydrogen atoms will share their electron with these 4 electrons in the outer shell of the carbon atoms to form the molecule of methane. Beta, this is the methane molecule in which 1 carbon atom shared their electron with 4 hydrogen atoms like this. Thank you.